Hit me with your best shot. Hello ladies and gents. Oh my god, that sounds like so full. Today we're going to be talking about the brows. I feel that sometimes I see some brows out there that are a little bit like, whoa, hold on a second sister. I just thought I'd do this video because I like sharing stuff, and because my brow routine has improved over the years. I like doing my natural, and I tend to see quite a lot of like heavy, whoa sister, the brow is strong with that girl. Star Wars pun there, sorry. It's the nerd coming out in me. So for this tutorial, for this brow tutorial, oh yeah, for this brow tutorial, look at me, I'm like coming up with all these words. But yeah, for this brow tutorial, we're going to be needing. So basically what I do is that I start off using the Pixie brow tamer, just going over my brow and just brushing that all in so it's all in place, and then I use my hands and fan it so it's all dry, and we don't want like smudgy, like I don't know, weird looking brow. So we fan that until it's dried, and then I go in with the Lord & Berry Magic Brow and then just outline what shape I want to do my brow in. How do you choose the colour, you ask? This one's brunette, so because I've got dark hair, obviously I went for brunette. If you've got blonde hair, you go for something a little bit lighter. If you've got urban hair, you go for something that's, you know, anything that's towards your hair shade or hair color, not hair shade. So yeah, just use the Lord & Berry Brow Magic, just outlining what shape I want my brow to be in. I usually just go with the natural shape, and then I also use this to do the front bit of the end bit. Is that the end bit? Yeah, the inner bit of my brows. I hate when like the top bit or the inner bit of my brow is a little bit dark. I just like a bit lighter than the rest of my brow. So this is what I usually use, to just go in with the inner bit and just shape that in, stroking it upwards, the direction of how my hair grows, or the direction of how I think my eyebrow hair grows. And then after that I go in with the Sigma brow powder using the Morphe M165 brush, just dabbing it in the dark. Oh my god!
This is Houston, say again please. Houston, we've had a problem.
So for the Sigma dark brow powder, I chose it the same as I chose the Lord & Berry, or with any brow pencil, because I don't like my brows too dark, so I tend to go for brunette rather than dark brown, because I've used dark brown pencils before and they've made my eyebrows look really dark, like darker than my hair. With a Sigma brow pencil, I go with the lighter brown and just go in with the brush, dab it in there, and then dab the brush at the back of my hand so that I have a little powder on the brush. And then I go in starting at the end of my brows, just going in there and filling that in, lightly filling that in, because I don't want it to be heavy strokes. And then once that's all filled in, I go in with the MUA brow pencil and then fill in any gaps that I've got in there, as well as also just lightly dabbing this at the front of my brow, just to give a bit more definition, because the Lord & Berry Brow Magic pencil is a little bit lighter than my actual hair. So I just use the MUA pencil just to darken a little bit, but not too much. And then once that's all done, once I'm happy with the shape and the shade and the consistency, or whatever you call it, of my brows, I go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I sometimes also use my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, depending on what I'm feeling or what my hand reaches in my makeup drawer. But today I use the Makeup Revolution concealer, just tidied that, just go around my brow and just tidied that, and then finally I go with the buffer brush and then just buff that all in. But with a concealer, you can, I tend to use it all the time because it helps to just tidy up the edges. So if, for example, you've overdrawn your brows, this is the best bit, because you can actually use the concealer to clean everything up and just have it very tidy, very neat, have a perfectly shaped brow. And that's it. Well, that's how I get my natural sort of looking brow. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this 101 on brows. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the description bar below. And I shall see you soon, and don't forget to check out all the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.